Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jenn Bell, your technology advisor, and today I'm here with Brandon Newton, a member of our remote services team, who's going to tell you a little bit about what he does here at TeamLogic IT.
Thank you, Jen. As mentioned, my name is Brandon, and I am with remote services. And the primary part of our job day to day, just like mentioned in the title, is to help our end users remotely. And we do that in a various amount of ways. Printers, troubleshooting for software, and other applications. We're just here to be a resource to you all in any way that we possibly can. And if there's something that's out of our scope, that's what the rest of our amazing team is here for. We try to cover all bases, and we're sort of like the first line of response when it comes to anything that usually comes into us sent by the phone or email. So we're probably the first people you're going to be talking to. Hopefully you don't have many issues, but if you do, we look forward to meeting you and just becoming that resource or ally that you guys depend on week to week or day to day.
Thank you, Brandon. If you're in need of support, please reach out today. Until next time.